Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Zero to Infinity Automotive. Buckle up, because today we're diving into some serious turbulence in the automotive world. Volkswagen, one of the most iconic car manufacturers out there, is facing a crisis that could shake the industry to its core. For decades, Volkswagen has been a symbol of German engineering excellence. From the Beetle to the Golf GTI, they've given us some of the most beloved cars on the planet. But now, the future of this automotive titan is hanging by a thread. So what's going on? Well, it all starts with financial troubles. Volkswagen's profits have been steadily declining over the past few years. The company has been hit hard by increasing competition, stricter emissions regulations, and the global economic slowdown. But here's the kicker. Some of Volkswagen's key factories in Germany are at risk of shutting down. Yes, you heard that right. The heart and soul of Volkswagen's production could come to a screeching halt. These factories are not just any production plants, they're the lifeblood of Volkswagen's manufacturing prowess. If they close, it would be a devastating blow not just to VW, but to the entire German economy. Thousands of jobs are on the line, and the impact would ripple through the industry. So, what does the future hold for Volkswagen? Well, the clock is ticking. Industry experts believe Volkswagen has 1, maybe 2 years to turn this ship around. They're under immense pressure to adapt and innovate, and they're throwing everything they've got at the problem. From ramping up electric vehicle production to cutting costs and streamlining operations, Volkswagen is fighting tooth and nail to stay afloat. But will it be enough? Only time will tell if Volkswagen can weather this storm. The stakes are high, and the road ahead is anything but smooth. But one thing's for sure, the automotive world will be watching closely as this drama unfolds. So, car enthusiasts, keep your eyes peeled. The next couple of years will be critical for Volkswagen, and the outcome could reshape the industry as we know it. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the biggest stories in the automotive world. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.